Aqala ngiyabonga wonke amakhosi. Mengicede ukufika lapha eChiefs bangiphethe kahle from day 1 till now 10 years iminyaka ingaka, and it's always a pleasure kudlala Kaizer Chiefs, and uyabona ukuthi i-contract ayirenewanga. It's part of the game because obviously ngigijimile i-race yami, so now isikhathi sabafana abancane bathatha istikhi bahamba nayo phambili. Thina abantu badala sishiye i-legacy sokuthi bafana izoba motivate ukuthi ukasande udlalele iminyaka 10, so mina ngizofuna ukuba ufana naye or ngizoba better. So from there umfana uzo improve, and umfana uceda ku improve i-Chiefs izodlala kahle. So mina ngigijimile i-race yami, now isikhathi sami sekuhamba kuzodlala somewhere. Umzimba wami uyavuma ukuthi ngidlale, maybe ngizodlala 2 seasons or 3 seasons angazi, but ngistrong. Uyabona ukuthi uSoton Pepper indoda.